Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get
Car
wrenching.
manufacturers were not lagging behind their compatriots. We offer you a description of the most widespread cars of Japanese manufacturers of Mitsubishi line, more precisely their engines. Mitsubishi engine. General description. The extraordinary popularity of units and assemblies produced by Mitsubishi far beyond the country of the rising sun is due to cooperation with prestigious automobile manufacturers such as Renault, Volkswagen, Volvo, and other world-famous manufacturers. Japanese Automobile Corporation MMC is a part of Mitsubishi Production Group, where it occupies one of the leading positions. Since the priority direction of the company's activity is considered to be the production of small-sized vehicles, most of the Mitsubishi engines are represented by compact power plants. Depending on the model, 3 or 4 cylinders are located on one line. Most often there is a 4-cylinder configuration of units. Over time, passenger car production has been increasingly displaced by SUVs and crossovers. Increased power is achieved by using the V6 configuration in Mitsubishi engines. In addition to large units of large capacity, power units with a volume of 1.8 liters are produced. The smallest 6-cylinder Mitsubishi engines are also known, accommodating only 1.6 liters. In addition to gasoline, the specialists of Corporation MMC produce diesel units. They are not distinguished by a great variety, mainly representing inline 4-cylinder motors. Varieties of power units equipping Mitsubishi cars. Decoding of designations. As already mentioned above, the company MMC produces a considerable number of engines designed for Mitsubishi cars. Further information will help to better navigate in the names of power units. Motor marking of the Japanese corporation consists of 1 Latin letter and 3 Arabic numerals, the first of which is in front of the letter designation of the engine type. Power units running on gasoline can be identified by the letter A or G in the name. While it is not clear how they differ from each other, it can be considered a whim of the manufacturers. The initial digit of the motor name, located before the letter, indicates the number of working cylinders in the installation. Most often there is a 4, less often a 3, a 6, and an 8. As an example, we can offer 3G83, 4D56, 6G72, 8A80. The series of power units produced by the Japanese company is determined by the last 2 digits of the marking. The belonging of engines to one line indicates the similarity of the design. Nevertheless, similarity does not mean complete identity of technical characteristics. Motors of the same series may differ in cylinder capacity, the method of fuel-air mixture supply, the degree of boost. Separately, it should be noted gasoline units 4G13 and 4G15. Here the last numbers are an indication of the working volume, 1.3 and 1.5 liters, respectively. It is interesting that the engines of the old generation of Mitsubishi cars often did not have in the name of the figure that determines the number of cylinders. Motors of the Japanese company, produced before 1989, were distinguished by the presence of a Latin letter at the end, the meaning of which is unknown. An example is the G13B power unit. Sad consequences of improper use of Mitsubishi engines. Unfortunately, a car that is ideal for Japanese roads turned out to be poorly adapted to domestic conditions. Russian motorists, accustomed to saving on gasoline and oil, in addition, are not distinguished by careful driving. The influence of these negative factors forces owners to make more often unplanned repair of the engine Mitsubishi, which is not at all a cheap pleasure. Let's take a closer look at what prevents the correct operation of Japanese power units, significantly reducing durability, use of inexpensive oil of poor quality. Attractive, at first glance, economy, has a negative impact on the functional characteristics of motors, forcing demanding Mitsubishi units to fail. First of all, poor quality lubrication adversely affects the performance of hydraulic valve tappets. The reason for the decrease in the resource of this part is a small cross-section of valves, contributing to rapid clogging with waste products of used oil, which is reflected by a decrease in the reliability margin of such an important node. According to domestic mechanics, the limit of life of hydrocompensators is considered 60,000 kilometers. After them suffer valves, because their gaps are deprived of any compensation. Failure of these parts can lead to the need for major repairs. In conclusion, Mitsubishi engines are renowned for their reliability and performance, offering a diverse range of power units tailored to various applications. From their innovative engineering to their robust technical characteristics, these engines stand out in the automotive and industrial sectors. However, like any mechanical system, they can experience malfunctions, which underscores the importance of regular maintenance and understanding their operational nuances. By familiarizing yourself with the strengths and potential issues of Mitsubishi engines, you can ensure optimal performance and longevity. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview has provided valuable insights into the world of Mitsubishi power units.